Welcome to all. I am very happy to see you through this YouTube. I am John Peter, Vidhyalakshmi Matriculation Higher Secondary School, working as social science teacher. Now I am going to take the first lesson in 10th geography, that is India location, relief and drainage. We know that we are all living in this world in Asia continent. In this world there are 7 continents are there. 7 continents are there. Among the 7 we are all in Asia continent, especially we are all living in India. We know that we are all very proud to say that be a Indian, because naturally the India is having lot of natural resources. So, the British government focuses a power on India to grasping the resources of India. They have taken lot of wealth and wealth related resources to their own nation. But as going on, that population goes on increasing more and more, our needs are also more than our limitations. So, at present we are all suffering a lot due to the lack of technology. Okay, this is our basic introduction about the India. There are nearly 28 states and 9 union territories are divided for our easy administration. Okay, from this world map we shall see what are all the 7 continents are existing in the world. 7 continents are namely Asia, Australia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America and Antarctica. These are all the 7 continents are existing in this world. Okay, introduction about that India location, relief and drainage. Among the world countries, India stands 7th largest country in the world. There are more countries there are 6 continents are standing in front of our India because of their boundaries are more than our India. So, India stands 7th place in the largest country. Okay. Then in Asia, India stands 2nd largest country in the Asian continent. In the world, we stand 7th place. In Asia, we stand 2nd place. Okay. Then, now we are all going to see the India. You can see from this picture, what are the neighboring countries are there? How many states are divided in India? What is in the east, what is in the west, what is in the southern part of India. The Himalayas in the north is separating India from the rest of the continent. You see, the north of India is fully covered by Himalayas. See, the Himalayas having the tendency of physical barrier. That means, no one from attack India in the north side. That means, it is acting as a physical barrier. Then another name of Himalayas also, it acting as a climatic barrier. Both physically it is protecting our India from foreign aggression. Then climate. The cold wind which comes from Central Asia to India is fully controlled or prevented by the lofty Himalayas. So, then only it is called as a Himalayas acting as a physical barrier cum climatic barrier. Okay. The total area in India is nearly 2.4% of the world area, remaining 97.6% of area were covered by rest of the continent. Then From this we can see that the total square kilometer of India is 32,87,263 kilometer. The total land area occupied by India from north, east, west and south. Many Indian states are larger than the world countries. Bigger states are in India compared to the world countries, both in populated, both in area, even everything. Then land frontier of India. What are the land frontier? What is in the east, what is in the west, what is in the north and what is in the south? See, west of India, east, west, north, south. West of India is Pakistan. West of India is Pakistan. The land gap between the Pakistan and India is 15,200 kilometers long. So, suppose we want to cross means we have to travel for nearly 15,200 kilometers. Then north-west of India is Afghanistan. North-west Afghanistan. So, first neighboring country is Pakistan and second neighboring country is Afghanistan. Then north of India, China, Nepal, then Bhutan are three neighboring countries are located in the north of India. See, China in the north, Nepal in the north, then Bhutan. Three countries are surrounded by our India. Then east of India. East of India is Bangladesh and Myanmar are the two countries are located east of our India. Then the longest border with the India and Bangladesh. Where is the Bangladesh? See, here is the Bangladesh. The Bangladesh longest border between India and Bangladesh is nearly 4,156 kilometers. So, long. Then the closer country to India is Afghanistan. How many kilometers means? Nearly 106 kilometers. Could you remember that? What are the land frontier? What are the countries are located near India, around our India? Next one, India location, relief and drainage. Here, what are the water frontiers are covered in India? See, India's water frontier. இந்தியாவை சுற்றியுள்ள நீர்நிலைகள். First one is what? We know that Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, then Indian Ocean in the south, or the three coastal lines are located in India. See, India is called as a peninsular India. Why it is called as a peninsular India? Because it is surrounded by three sides of water. Three sides of water and one side of land. Then only it is called as a peninsular India. There are two coastal lines are there. The coastal line from eastern side, from the state of Tamilnadu, Andhra, then Orissa. Then the west coastal line. The west coastal line from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. See, the coastal names are called in different names in different places. The coastal area from the state of Maharashtra, it is called as a Konkan coast. The same area is called as a Malabar coast in the state of Kerala. Then we know that the coastal area in Chennai we called as a Marina Beach, but in geographically it is called as a Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast. Then the state of Orissa, it is called as a Northern Kirkar. Northern Kirkar. So we know that what are the water frontiers are surrounded by India, and then what are the two types of coastal line? East coastal line and west coastal line. The total coastal line of both is nearly 6,100 kilometers. 6,100 kilometers. It is including both the east and west coastal line. Then, including island, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, including this island, the total area covered by including the coastal line is 7,516.6 kilometers. If you are deducting the value from the including islands, we will get exact islands area. Exact island area. Now, we shall see the India and the world. What is the position of India? See, the India is located in between around the countries. It is located here is a favor for trading East and West Asia. It is located in East and West Asia. That means you can also continue your trade here, then you can also be there, then through voyage you can use this site for your trading, then you can use this site for trading. So, it is located in the central, it is located in middle of the Asia. Then Indian Ocean in the south is used for trading activities with the European countries and East Asia countries. So, the location of both the Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea or Indian Oceans are very much favor for continue our trading activities with the neighboring countries. Then India and subcontinent. India and subcontinent. India along with the neighboring countries. We already seen that. What are the countries are located around India means in the east, west, north, south. In the west, what are the countries are located in the west of India? Pakistan and Afghanistan. Then east, then north and south. In the north, Nepal, Bhutan. One more. The neighboring countries Nepal, Bhutan and China are very much favor for continue our trade through the land. Then India along with the countries of Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal and Bhutan and Sri Lanka are called as our subcontinent. இந்தியாவினுடைய துணை கண்டங்கள். See, Pakistan and Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka are called as a subcontinent. Then these regions are separated from rest of Asia by chain of mountains in the north, west, north and northeast and Indian Ocean. You see, the structure of Sri Lanka is separated. Then you see that Bangladesh is also separated. Then Nepal and Bhutan are separated by separate boundary. It possesses a distinct characteristics of physiographic, climate, natural vegetation, minerals, human resources. So, India is called as a subcontinent. The qualities required to measure whether it is a subcontinent or anything means it will, that India is having a special character. We are having separate character. Climate is separate, physical feature is separate. Then natural vegetation, you see that north of Himalayas fully covered with the tropical evergreen forest. Then West Ghats fully covered with the tropical evergreen forest. The west of our India, a great desert, Thar desert is located. Then east of India is fully covered with full mountains like Garo and Kasi Jaintia hills. Then moreover, the human resources is very much greater than compared to the rest of the countries. Indian human resources highly qualified. highly qualified. Then we are having more human resources, skilled, semi-skilled, unskilled. So the rest of the countries are preparing to use more of human resources from our India. Then latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent. See, in border you see that the Kanyakumari, the measurement from here to here, and then top from here to here. See, from here to here, that is denoted as a 8.4 degree north to 37.6 degree in the north. So here the border of the Kanyakumari and the border of the Jammu and Kashmir must be intersect with this point. Next one, longitudinal extent from 68.7 degree in the east, that is Arunachal Pradesh, to Gujarat, Ran of Kutch. That is called as a what? Longitudinal extent from 67 point east to 97.25. Here is a 67.8 inga varum. Indruடைய border வந்து 97 point border inga varum. So the whole India is fixed with a particular measurement, that is called as a 8.4 degree north to 37.6 degree north, then 68.7 degree east to 97.25 east. The southernmost point of the Kanyakumari is Indra Point. It is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Then the southernmost point of the India is Cape Comorin, that is a Kanyakumari. Suppose they are asking you to mark where is the Indra Point, means you have to mark in Andaman and Nicobar. Where is that? Cape Comorin means you have to mark in Kanyakumari. Then the distance from North India, Indra Col in Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3,214 kilometers from Indra Col to Kanyakumari. Then the distance from Ran of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh is 2,933 kilometers. If you want to go to reach the Arunachal Pradesh, means we have to pass nearly 2,933 kilometers from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Then Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, is dividing to two halves as a northern temperature zone and southern tropical island. There is a 23.30 degree here. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the 23.30 degree north. It divides India into northern temperature and southern tropical island, southern tropical land. Generally, in the month of March to May, the northern part of India receives heavy temperature compared to the southern part. Simultaneously, when the winter season starts, means the northern part of India receives a more chill climate, because that climate is from Himalayas. But in southern part of India, it's not mere affected by the either winter or in summer. Then, for administrative convenience, India has been divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. We know that how many states are in India, means we have to say that 29 states and 7 union territories. Then Indian Standard Time, the longitudinal difference between Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east is 30 degrees. See here, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the longitudinal difference. Then the earth rotates through an axis 360 degree in 24 hours. We know that. பூமி தண்ணியை சுற்றிக்கிட்டு சூரியனையும் சுற்றி வருவதற்கு 365 நாள் ஆகுது. அந்த 365 நாளில் ஒரு நாளும் இரவும் பகலும் மாறி மாறி வருவதற்கு காரணம் வந்து பூமி தன்னை தானே சுற்றி வருகிறது. Then the longitudinal difference is 1 day equal to 4 minutes. The longitudinal difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is 29.8. Then the 29.8 equal to 1 hour 57 minutes. அப்போ அருணாச்சல பிரதேசத்துக்கும் நம்ம பிரதேசத்துக்கும் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் எவ்வளோ? 1 hour 57 minutes. ஸோ சூரிய உதயமானது நம்மளை விட 2 மணி முன்னாடியே அருணாச்சல பிரதேச மக்கள் பார்ப்பதற்கு ஏதுவாக உள்ளது. So I would like to conclude this chapter up to this India location and relief. We shall meet in the next class the major physiographic divisions of India. Thank you.